Hey, welcome back all. Mr. Fix-It in the bathroom. I'm in the bathroom. Look, I'm gonna I got a towel bar from Home Depot Seeds review. And what's unique about this towel bar is, as you all can see, it's one piece. I love it. This is so much simpler than doing those 3, 4, 5 piece towel bars. So if you're looking for something, that simple to install, looks good, this is it right here, folks. This towel bar is great. I was going to go over it. I hope Home Depot puts this, on their website for the review. I do want to install it. A lot of people want me to show how it's installed. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it. The hardware comes in a little baggie here, see? And in there's an Allen wrench, whatever you want to call it, and all your anchors. So what you're going to need, I have my drill to drill the hole. You can just punch it in, with a pencil or something if you want, or a tack. But I'm going to use my level here. It's got a straight edge and it's a level. Now if you don't have one of these, you can use a yardstick and put a torpedo level on top. There are other ways that you can work it out. I had another level here. I don't know what happened to it. But anyway, I had a little level that I use on the fly that you could stick a torpedo level right on your yardstick, and then, get it all leveled up. I recommend doing it with one of these. So as long as you got put the holes in, level, then your towel bar is going to be level. Excuse me, folks. So first thing you want to do is measure how far, okay? Measure how far. I usually go from the 1 inch. I hope you can see that. Okay, I'm going from the 1 inch on the straight edge, and it's about 22 3/4. Go from the 1 inch over. And it's supposed to be a 24-inch bar, which it is, but the legs are a little bit closer than that. So we're going to go for 22 3/4. Okay, so you're going to get your level. I already marked your 54 inches, 55 inches. The kids can still grab it, and it's not too low for me. Okay, so here's my 54. Just be right around there somewhere. And then I want it right on the edge of the vanity here. So I'm going to measure. Okay, I can't get my my straight edge in there. It's too long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 6 inches. Okay, so we got 7. And we're adding 6 inches to the 22 3/4, which gives us 28 3/4. So we're going to be at 28 3/4. I'm still not there. I really want to be here. So I'm going to be at I'm going to be at 30 3/4, okay, and 30 3/4, 22, that's 8 inches added. Make sure I got 30 3/4, so then we got 8 inches, okay, over here. Make sure your ball's right on. Okay, and then what I do is just make a little cross there. Okay, so you know where to drill. Okay, so we got our marks up there. All right. Now put the bar up just to make sure that we're on, which we are not on. We're an inch off. Okay, so I've got to readjust this. Readjust this to here. Okay, and then I'll put my level up here again. Okay. Okay, so we're going to be right there. You can always stick the bar back up there and make sure it's on there. Okay, now the elements, they have these brackets to hold it up right in here. So you're going to use your Allen wrench to take your brackets out. Okay. Now when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you install it with these sections where you tighten it on the bottom, because you don't want to see them on the top. So make sure you got this out. This set screw. Make sure you got it out far enough. Okay. All right. So then you're going to install your brackets right up here on the wall. With these, it doesn't really matter, because it has tabs to hold it up on either side. So you can install it with the holes up, or you can install it with the holes sideways. You just want to make sure that you got your screw where you made your X with the line. You got that in the middle, and then you're going to mark your holes for here. Okay. Now one I'm going to put sideways, so it has a little, see how it's open there? Has a little bit of adjustment on it, see it? Okay, so I'm going to put one this way so I can adjust level, and then the other one I'm going to put the opposite way so I can adjust, if they're just a hair off the mark, that I can resolve that. But that middle hole helps you to find the adjustment there. Okay? Alright, so then we're going to take and drill our holes. Okay? And then because there's no studs here, we're going to have to use our anchors. Okay? So we got our anchors here. You may have to take a hammer. Now you don't want these too wide, you want them to be tight. And that's a little too tight, guys. So rather than switch the bit around, I'm just going to make the holes a little wider. You want it as tight as possible, because you want these anchors to stay in there. You don't want them to twist with the screw when you go to screw it. Okay, there we go, that's better. Put the anchors in. I didn't hit a stud anywhere, that's amazing. Usually I'll hit a stud on these. Okay, so you got that. You're going to put your brackets up. I got my drill here. Remember, I got this one for level. So you're going to get this bracket up here. Get it in there nice and tight. Turn it a couple extra turns because that makes your that pulls your anchor in, so it helps with the stability of the thing. Okay, so we got this one over here. Okay, there you go. Make sure your screws, your set screws on the bottom. Okay, and you're gonna line it up, turn it in. Turn your set screws in. These are sometimes take a little while because you got the wall in the way. What's interesting on the job is there are some people, I don't know what it is about them, but they can tell level from a mile away. I mean, you know, sometimes I'll put one in on purpose to test out the guy I'm working with. And I'll put it in just a tad off level. And they will walk in the room and they'll be like, that's off level. And I'm like, no, it's not. Put the level on there. And sure enough, the bubble's a tad bit off. And it's only some certain people. I mean, other people, they can't tell if it's level or not, you know, unless it's way off. But there are some people in this world that can walk in to the room and they will know right away, man. They just know that that thing's level or not. So, you know, I mean, there's little ways, you know, out here that we entertain ourselves. I'm sure some people would be amazed at the ways we find to entertain ourselves, but we gotta keep it live, you know what I mean? Some of this stuff gets boring. All right, so it's in. Why does it not? Okay. Pretty level. Ball's right on. Maybe a nudge off, but it's tough for me because depending on the angles of the walls and everything, sometimes they will look a little off. But this one is on, and as you can see, it doesn't take that long. And without those extra pieces, without all those extra pieces, you don't. Because I find it hard to get how wide the towel bar is when you got all these 4 or 5 different pieces trying to put, you know, the legs on and all that stuff. With this thing here, it's all clear. You just stick it up there and make the marks, make sure it's level, and you're good to go. You can get this product on HomeDepot.com. This is a Home Depot Seeds review. I hope you all found this helpful. I hope that they put this on the product for a review. Sometimes when I put the install on, they don't include it, so I'm hoping they put it on because it does help you guys out. That's the biggest comment I get, you know, why can't you show us how to install this? And you know, so there, voila, done. You got the towel bar installed right here at Mr. Fix-It's channel. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Any comments, you know, any suggestions, whatever you got, guys. I love it. I love when you watch my videos. Thanks for coming. Like and subscribe, would you please, and share the video. All right, have a great day, man. Remember, be a lover, not a hater. Too many haters out there. Let's turn it around. All right, love you guys. I'm out.